How to close apps on your iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can close all apps on your iPhone. So to do that, it's really easy. What you'll have to do is simply swipe up from the bottom side of the screen and then keep holding. Now once you've done that, you will be taken to the recent apps page where you can see all of the apps that are currently open on your iPhone. Now in order to close all of the apps, what you'll have to do is simply swipe up on the app you want to close and then continue doing so until you have closed all of the apps. Now unlike Android, there is no specific feature on how you can close all of the apps at once. So in the iPhone, you'll have to do it one by one. So once you've done all of those, you'll have successfully closed all apps on your iPhone. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.